traces of this strong, agile, and fast animal start here in Dobrich. Welcome to the campus of the company Duzon Bobcat. The life of every new machine starts at the design department. At the Innovation Center, production of prototypes is initiated by fabrication of sheet metal and rotary parts, such as pins and bushings. These components are then moved to welding shop. It's a precise single-piece production, therefore only the most experienced welders can work here. It is a machining shop where the weldments are machined to its final accuracy. To achieve that, we use up-to-date CNC technologies, horizontal boring mill, and 5-axis milling center. Throughout development, the 3D print is especially useful. It enables quick production of parts. This technology is represented by one of the biggest industrial printers. The biggest part it can print is 90 by 90 by 60 centimeters. For instance, in the traditional way, production of prototype covers take up to 16 weeks. Thanks to the 3D technology, we can assemble it within hours. The heart of any construction machine is the hydraulics, hoses and pipes we produce ourselves. At the assembly shop, produced parts are assembled into brand new prototypes. At the testing lab, we carry out specification and durability tests. On the tilting table, we measure the stability of machines and how it behaves in slopes. This is another specification test, as the measuring pit, where we measure lifting capacity and digging force. Here it is possible to test machines with underground reach of 8 meters and force of 10 tons. Innovation Center is equipped for ROPS and FOPS testing. Can you hear the acoustics? This is the biggest acoustic chamber in Europe. There are 2 parameters we measure here: operator and bystander noise. In the testing department, we use measuring systems like HIDAC, Devisoft, Brüel & Kjær, and National Instruments. For cooling tests, we use 300 kilowatts dynamometer. Climactic test, from -40 to +60 degrees Celsius, are performed in climactic chamber. Here, hydraulic systems and their setting are tested. Rain simulation tests cabin water sealing. Here it rains regardless of the weather outside. As a part of durability tests, we do structural lifetime estimation and cyclic testing. For cyclic testing, we have 500 kilowatts of hydraulic power installed. To determine structural durability, we use finite elements calculation, stress coat, and strain gauge measurements. The final test is a long-term field test on testing polygon. Here, our machines drive for thousands and thousands of hours in the harshest conditions so that we can see correct functionality and durability of all the components, down to the last screw. Behind these doors, there is a production area, 26,000 square meters. At this very moment, there are 300 workers working there. We produce our own weldments. Therefore, we keep quality of the key components under control. There are 2 paint shops to protect our machines from corrosion. There are millions of parts in this warehouse, and each of those is waiting for its machine. All loaders from 1.5 to 6 tons are assembled on this one assembly line. In this factory, we start 80 new machines to life every day. At BOBCAT Institute, we focus on training and overall support of our salesmen and service technicians from all over Europe, Middle East, and Africa. 2,500 technicians and salesmen are trained here at BOBCAT Institute every year. Their trainings are product-related, as well as sales. And here the trainees can try everything for themselves under the guidance of experienced instructors. Service training include practical exercises in the workshops, of course. Thanks to this, we can better acquaint everyone with our products, its functions, advantages, and service. BOBCAT Institute has a great fleet of machines and its accessories at its disposal for presentation and training purposes, and not only here in Dobrich, but in all EMEA. Our specialists, with lorries fully loaded with machines, visit not only trade fairs, but above all our dealers, where they do trainings and presentation of our BOBCAT machines, right on the spot.
BOBCAT